I know. Hi, dance peeps. It's part 2 of the slime challenge. So today I have my cousin Crystal.
They call me Chris. Or Cry.
You have Cry here, and then you have
They call me Chris.
We have Chris here, and with me, Tree. Zimmer the Apple's daughter. Please, Mom, don't watch this.
You have to get
Tiffany's
what
Mom,
one.
I want you to watch this. I want to see how you react to this.
With my mom?
Yeah.
You have to guess what kind of slime it is.
No, that was last part, remember?
Oh,
Sorry,
yeah.
mistake. She meant to say, if you guess these words,
I think you're gonna guess mine as well. Actually, you could guess that one because it's so obvious.
obviously.
Yeah.
So basically, mine was watermelon. Hers was confetti cake.
Yep. You can say.
Smell it, guys. Smell it again. Okay, no.
You can read it. Tree.
And then smell mine. Good job. I'm giving away these bracelets. One of these bracelets.
And I'm gonna get one because I'm hooker. Me and her are gonna be getting one.
So she's getting the rainbow one.
Yeah.
And I got the this one.
And don't you dare say it's unfair because you could win.
The purple one.
Yeah.
If you're a boy, you don't need to win it.
Yeah.
Rose,
But we do have something for the boys.
we got something for the boys too. Here it is. It's a nice little Batman toy.
And it could be for a baby too.
Hey.
Baby whistle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, even if you're a little baby like Daryl, her brother, who will be here in the next video. Move over.
On summer.
They can't see me. I need to turn
On summer.
BRB, guys.
My baby brother is gonna be coming on summer. On summertime, and he's gonna be staying here for all the way when I turn all the way.
She turns 10.
No,
Yeah, you gonna be turning 10.
no, I don't have my birthday on summer.
Oh. I was
I
like,
have my birthday on a cold day.
oh.
Oh, if you want to
Hey.
know when is my birthday, February 10, 2019.
It
Today
already
is
passed.
2019. Yeah, it did pass.
My birthday is next month, peeps. It's on April 16, 2010.
And I'm coming. Wait, what?
And
Is it on a weekend?
the year I was born was 2010.
Wait.
It's not on a weekend. It's on a Tuesday. But you still can't come to my birthday because we're celebrating it on Monday. Well, you could come sleep over because we're not celebrating it. My mom might get me a present and something, but she'll...
Probably I'm gonna give you a present.
Yeah, okay. So, hey guys, we're back.
Sorry, we said have
A birthday conversation.
yeah.
Because there's something wrong with my stupid birthday. Well, there's something wrong with my dumb school. Basically, my birthday's on a Tuesday. Do I have freaking spring break on Tuesday? Guess yes and guess no. Which one did you guess?
Net month.
Which one did you guess? Did you guess yes or did you guess no? If you guessed no, then you're correct. I don't have spring break on Tuesday. I have school on Tuesday, which is freaking horrible life there. My teacher sang this horrible song. Can you clean up your slime?
Sure.
I gotta thinking what I'm gonna put mine back in the jar. Wait, let's put the slime away for now. So that way it could turn a little bit colder. So we have the same temperature.
Oh, I got a better idea.
I'm keeping mine in here.
Hold up.
You're keeping some slime out, aren't you?
Yep. And I'm gonna be doing this.
Oh, wow, you actually wore that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. It fell out of the doll's hands. My horrible.
Oh, and the next video we're gonna be doing her bedroom. You know,
Go down. It's right here.
we're gonna be doing her room on the next video. So I hope you on the next video.
Girls, you can win this. Boys, you can win this. Gotcha life, people. Gotcha life, people. If you're a gotcha person.
Where you got?
But if you don't want this stuff, you could get pencils. A pen.
We're gonna show you a pen.
Here is a pen to draw aliens with. You know, my friend, Ellie, she loves drawing like these weird creatures. Michu. Aphrodite. This. I don't want to be scary for people, but when I was a little girl, when I was actually like 5, let's put it down here like that. No, sorry guys, we gotta do
And
something.
another person gonna be getting this.
What the heck? Yeah,
Somebody's
so
gonna be getting
this is basically where you could hold your notes and stuff.
And somebody's gonna get the blue ball.
No.
That's for the girl and this for a baby.
No, not the balls. And if you're a makeup fan, you're getting a sponge. Sponge.
If you're a makeup fan.
But nobody's actually getting that, so sad. But if you like to hold notes,
Wait, hold up. What about me? I'm a makeup fan.
if you like to hold notes about what you're gonna do for your next makeup, style, you could hold your notes up in this world. And you can hit your cousin with it in the head. We're not selling that. But we are selling this. No. No.
We're not gonna be selling that.
Not this. This is like a whole lifetime personality.
I know. If you think we're gonna be selling that, you're wrong.
And I'm gonna slap you with the bracelet if you think that. And then you got these bracelets, this and this. Come on guys, choose one. Put it in my corner. Corner, baby. Wait, take off the blanket from this. Wait, turn on the light.
No, I'm trying to do. You take it down.
No, they see the light.
Oh.
Okay, now lift it back up. Put it back up there.
No, let's keep it down.
No, because they're going to see the light.
Right there.
No.